The story of the widow's mite is a significant and impactful narrative found in the Gospels, although it is often overlooked. Despite its brevity, the story contains profound principles that hold relevance for believers today. The story emphasizes a key principle that lies at the heart of Christian spirituality. It challenges the notion that true spirituality is merely about self-improvement and superficial appearances, and instead focuses on genuine relationship with God. In the story, a poor widow gives 2 small copper coins to the temple treasury. Jesus observes this act and highlights the greatness of her gift, explaining that she has given more than all the others because she has given out of her poverty, while the others have given out of their abundance. Traditionally, this story has been associated with the idea of cheerful giving, as mentioned in 2 Corinthians 9-7. God loves a cheerful giver. However, it is important to note that the story itself does not mention the widow's disposition or attitude. It primarily focuses on the amount she gave, and the proportion it represented of her possessions, as well as Jesus' interpretation of her actions in relation to her moral and religious character. When comparing the 2 gospel accounts of the story, Mark 12:41-44, and Luke 21:1-6, we can observe some similarities and differences. Both accounts share a similar structure, indicating their topical connection. However, there are variations in the details and emphasis between the 2 versions. For instance, Mark portrays Jesus intentionally watching the crowd at the temple treasury, while Luke describes Jesus merely glancing and being caught by the widow's offering. This distinction highlights the preparedness of Jesus in Mark's account and the unexpected encounter in Luke's version. Additionally, Mark includes a conversation between Jesus and his disciples about the grandeur of the temple, which Jesus contrasts with the impending destruction of the temple. In Luke, the temple discourse occurs as a separate topic, introduced by the disciples' remarks about its adornment. These differences provide nuances that can offer spiritual lessons on giving, finance, value, generosity, and wealth. By examining the variations in the gospel accounts, readers can gain deeper insights into the principles conveyed by the story and apply them to their own lives. Overall, the story of the widow's mite challenges us to reconsider our understanding of giving and spirituality. It reminds us that true value is not measured solely by the amount given, but by the sacrificial heart behind the gift. It encourages us to prioritize sincerity, selflessness, and a genuine relationship with God over superficial displays of religious devotion.